welcome. I'm Cassidy Cash. This is That Shakespeare Life, and it's time for Weird Word Wednesday. This week, our word is Mumble-News, which appears in Love's Labour's Lost, Act 5, Scene 2, when Byron says, some carry tale, some please man, some slight zany, some mumble news, some trencher knight. Now, obviously, Mumble News falls right in line with all of these hyphenated insults here, but Mumble News in Shakespeare's time was someone who was whispering gossip or half-heard stories. Essentially, they were a spreader of rumors. The phrase paints a picture of someone spreading news so quietly and sneakily that it's barely audible, like a whisper campaign in the Renaissance. It's a rare and wonderfully specific insult, perfect for someone who can't keep their nose out of other people's business. They are a mumble news. So there you go. Now you have one more word you can add to your Shakespeare vocabulary and be just a little bit smarter. That's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.